Good morning children. In this video we are going to see how to find the square root of any number. Okay, we can find the square root of any number easily using a method called division method. Okay, so some of you have doubt in this division method. I am going to clear that one. Okay, so first of all let us take one easy number and let us try this. Let us apply this division method. Okay, so you know very well root 2. Root 2 is equal to 1.414. Root 3 equal to 1.73. So these values you already know. But how they got this value? Let us see. So if you want to find square root of 2, what you have to do? First take it like a division. This method is called as division method. So take the 2 here. Okay. So now what you have to do? This is square root. So for performing division method, you have to know the square values of first 9 numbers. That is 1 square equal to 1, 2 square equal to 4, 3 square equal to 9, 4 square equal to 16, 5 square is equal to 25, 6 square is equal to 36, 7 square is equal to 49, 8 square equal to 64, 9 square equal to 80. If you know this, that's all. Then you can easily perform the square root method. Okay, square root division method. So how means, first you see this number. Among here, which one has the value nearer to 2 at the same time less than 2? Okay, you want to find the square root of 2. So you have to check the square value which is nearer to 2 at the same time less than 2. So only 1 is less than 2, all the other values are greater than 2. Therefore, you have to take this 1. 1 square is 1. That is 1 into 1 is 1. Therefore, here you have to write 1. Here also you have to write 1. Because 1 into 1 is 1. Okay. So 1 is 1. So write here 1. Reminder, 2 minus 1 is 2 minus 1. If you minus, the answer will be 1. Okay. So now here no more digits. Therefore, as usual, you have to put the point. You have to put the dot. Okay. In normal division method, after keeping the dot, you will bring down 1 0 here. After this dot, normal division you will bring 1 0. But in this square root division, this is square root now. Therefore, you have to bring down 2 zeros separately. This is not exactly equal to division, so don't get confusion. So you have to bring down 2 zeros. This method is not like normal division. Understood? So you have to bring down 2 zeros. Okay. So now here which number you have to select? So please listen carefully. In the previous step the number is 1. This is square root. So in the next step you have to multiply this 1 by 2. That is 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. That value you have to write here. Understood? If here 2 was there, then here 2 2s are 4. 3 was there means here 3 2s are 6. Okay. In this step, what is the number given this step? That number should be multiplied by 2. So 1 2 is 2. Okay. So now you are written 2 and you have to write another digit also. The first step only 1 digit. In the second step 2 digit will come. But how to fill that digit? That is the complicated thing. Please listen carefully. So here, if you put 1 here, here also you will put 1. Therefore, you get 21 into 1, that is 21. But the value given here is 100. So you have to check all the values. So put 2, 22. If you put 2 here, then here also you need to put 2 because this is square root. So 22 into 2 is 44. But here the value is 100. You have to find the nearest value. The value should be nearest to 100. At the same time it should be less than 100. So let us try 23 3. 23 3s are 69. Then 24 4s. If here 3 means here also 3 only. Okay. Then 24. Here 4 means here also 4. 24 4s are 96. Let us try 5. 25 5s are, if you multiply you get answer 125. But see here, 125 is greater than 100. Therefore, 25 is not possible. So you will write 24 into 4, that is 96. So if you write here, if you write 4, there also you have to write 4. Understood or not? This step is the complicated one, but how you will do means, here the one digit is there, that digit should be multiplied by 2. So 1, 2 is 2. Then another one digit you have to write. That digit, how will you write? You have to put some values. Here 1 means here also 1. Here 2 means here also 2. Then you have to multiply both values and check that the value should be nearer, but it should be nearest, at the same time it should be less than this value, that is 100. So now 24 into 4 is 96. Okay, so 96, now remainder is 4. Now again you have to bring down. This is square root division, so you have to bring down 2 zeros. So you have to bring down 2 zeros. 400. Okay, so now here how will you write? Don't multiply 24 with 2. Only this last digit should be multiplied by 2. The last digit is 4. So first digit you directly write to same. This digit, okay, so let us not write like this. 24 is there. This last digit is 4. 4 should be multiplied by 2. That is 4 2s are 8. So you will write 28 here. If you have doubt here, do like this. Better. What you will do? Write this 24. The last digit is 4. So add the last digit again with 4. So that 4 2s are 8. Understood or not? Just do like this. Okay. So the last digit is 4, 24 plus 4 is 21. Now, here you have to write one digit. So, if you put 1, here also 1. So, 281 into 1 is 281. Let us try 2. 282 into 2 is, the answer will be 564. 564 is greater than 400, isn't it? 282 into 2 is 564. 564 is greater than 400. Therefore, that is not possible. So, let us write 1 here also 1. So, the answer is 281. Okay. Then, remainder, this is 9, 10, 90. Then here 1. 109. Then again the same step. 119 again bring down 2 zeros. Here how will you write? The last digit is 1. So how will you write? 281. So 281, the last digit is 1. Add with 1. So answer is 282. Okay. So write here 282. Here you have to fill one number. Okay. So you have to fill one number. It is going big. So only now you almost got the answer 1.41. If you want the third one, you will check. You will put 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Okay. If you are little good in guessing, you can find the answer very easy. Now itself you got the answer. The answer of root 2 is 1.41. It's correct or not? 1.41. If you see the third digit, so let us take 4 and here also 4. 2824 into 4. 2824 into 4. 16, 1, 9, 32, 3, 1, 1, 2, 9, 6. That's all. If you want fourth digit, again you have to do. Else you can stop. Normally, after digit, if you take 2 numbers is enough. Therefore, up to this step also okay. So, the answer for root 2 is 1.4. Is it clear? So, first you have to take the number, you have to find the nearest square value. It should be nearest, at the same time it should be less than. Then you have to subtract, then you have to bring down 2 zeros. Then here the last digit should be multiplied by 2. Then another one digit should be filled such that here if you write 1, here also 1. Here 2 means here also 2. Then you will multiply and check whether it is nearest to 100, at the same time less than 100. You can do like this. Okay. So this method is easy, and using this method you can find the square root of any numbers. You can, okay. So if you want some example, please note it down. We will do some example because this is only one digit number. We will try for 2 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit, any digit also possible. Okay. So I will give you some considerations. Okay, I am taking some easy sums first, some round numbers. Okay, for example, one 3-digit number 196. This is a round number, but why I am taking this, I will tell you. Okay. Listen carefully. This is a 3-digit number, this is a 4-digit number. Okay, that is, this is odd digit, this is even digit. In case of odd digit, when you divide it into 2, for example, in even digit directly you can divide 2. But in odd digit, if you divide 2, one number will be separate. So, in case of odd number of digits, 1, 3, 5, 7, what you have to do? First digit alone should be separate. Why separate? I told you, every time we bring down 2 digits down. Okay, how means? Let me tell you. So first take this 196. This first digit alone separate. Okay, so now let us, because you will have doubt whether I see 1 first or whether I will take this as 1 or I will take this as 9. That is 90. Your question may be whether I take the first number only or whether I take the first 2 numbers, because our square value is like this. 1 square is 1, 2 square is 4, again I am writing, 3 square is 9, 4 square is equal to 16, 5 square is equal to 25, 6 square is equal to 36, 7 square is equal to 49, 8 square is equal to 64, 9 square is equal to 80. Some values are single digit, some values are 2 digit. So you are doubt whether I will take this as 1 or I will take it as 90. That is why I am telling you, if this is odd digit 3, 5, 7, 9, take the first digit alone separately, remaining 2 you can take. Okay, so first digit is 1. So which one is nearest at the same time less than or equal to 1? 1 square is 1. Okay, it should be nearest at the same time less than or equal. Okay, so first write 1 square is 1. So 1 is 1. So 1 is 1. Remaining 0. Now I told you, usually in the last sum we took 2 digits, 2 zeros down. That is, you have to take 2 digits at a time down. Normal division will take only this 9 down, but this is square root division. At a time you have to take down 2 digits. So take 96. Now here what is there? 1 is there. You have to multiply this 1 by 2 or again add this 1 by 1. So answer is 2. 1, 2 is 2. So write here 2. Now here what is there? 96 is there. Here you have to fill 1 digit. Here 1 means here also 1. 21 into 1 is 21. 2 means here also 2. 22 into 2 is 44. 23 into 3 is 69. 24 into 4 is 96. Exactly. So 24 into 4, answer is 96. Remainder is 0. Therefore, the square root of 196 is equal to, the answer is 14. Is it clear? Is it clear? Similarly, here it is an even digit number, 4 digits. So no problem. Directly you can divide 2. So 16 first, 0, 0, 7. So 16, here you see 1, 4, 9, 16. 4 square is 16. Therefore write here 4, 4. Understood or not? 4 square is 16. So 4, 4. So answer 16, 0. Bring down the 2 digits. The digit is 0, 0. Now the value is 0 here. So 4, again here you have to multiply this by 2. So 4 into 2 is 8. So write here 8. Here the answer is 0. How? If you put 1 here, here also 1, 81. But the answer is 0. Therefore, here also 0, here also 0. Okay. So 80 into 0 is 0. So answer is, the remainder is 0. Therefore, the answer is 20. If 0 here, here also you have to put 0. Clear? because this value should be less than or equal to, nearest at the same time it should be less than or equal to this. Therefore, the square root of 1600 is equal to 40. Very easy, isn't it? Okay, only thing, this is the thing you have to consider. So, this same way can be used for 5 digit, 7 digit number also. For example, if a 5 digit number is given, how will you take? It is the odd digit. So, first digit alone you take separately, then next 2 digits, then next 2 digits. Even digit means easy. Even digit means 2, 2, 2 you have to divide. Why we are dividing 2, 2 means at the same time we are taking 2 digit down. For example, here 1. 1 square is 1. So 1, 1. Okay. So 1. Remainder 0. Now 25. So 1 into 2. Here you have to multiply by 2. So 1 into 2 is 2. Either multiply by 2 or add the number with the same digit. Same number. 1 plus 1 is 2. Now here it is 25. So if you put 1, 1, 21 into 1 is 21. If you put 2, it will be greater than 25. Then remainder 4. 25 minus 21 is 4. Then again 2 digits. 1, 5. So here 21. So 21, the last digit is 1. Again add with 1, the answer is 20. Don't multiply 21 with 2. Only the last digit should be multiplied by 2. So 1 into 2 is 2. 2, 2. Okay. So 2, 2. If you put 1, 22 into 1 is 22. If you put 21 into 1 is 21. 1 means here, 1 minute. This is 2, 2. If you put 1 here, here also 1. So 221 into 1 is 221. Let us try 2 here. 222. If you put 2 here, here also 2. So 222 into 2 is 444, which is greater than this. Therefore, just write 1, 1. So answer is 221. The remainder is 490. Okay, so no more digit here. Therefore, put point. Now 221, last digit is 1. So again you add means it will become 201 plus 1 is 2. 222. Here one digit you have to fill. Here you have to bring down 2 zeros. Okay. So in the same way you will continue. Okay. So 200 here which number you have to fill. Whether you can fill 6, 7. For example, 6 means 2 to 2 6 into 6. You have to check. 7 means 2 to 2 7 into 7. You have to check which one is nearest to this. That number you have to write. If you want after decimal, if you want only 1 digit means you stop with this. You want 2 digit means you can continue. Understood or not? So this method it may take some time for you to pick it up. But once you pick it up, this one will be very useful for you. You can find the square root of any numbers using this method. Okay. So I hope you understood. I will give you some homework based on this. Okay. So please note the homework. Find the square root of 3, square root of 119, square root of 13857, square root of 25.67. Okay, you can do for this point sum also. So please take this 4 sums as homework and do that. If you have any doubt, please ask me in WhatsApp. Okay, so I think this is enough. This topic is applicable for 8th, 9th and 10th also. You have studied it in 8th standard, but even if you have some doubt, I hope that this video would help you a lot. Okay, so I will see you in the next class. Thank you.